Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm currently getting the caravan all packed up and ready because we are off to Castleton for the weekend. Castleton is in the Peak District and it's described by many as one of the most Christmassy villages in the UK. I'm really looking forward to our stay here, but Jamie, however, isn't so keen. Well, he's looking forward to his stay at the site, but he's not looking forward to the drive up there, particularly when towing a twin axle caravan on some of those narrow country lanes. Now, I'm off to work, but Jamie will have Maisie with him for moral support and his co-pilot. So fingers crossed, when I finish work and meet them there, they'll be all pitched up, relaxed, and he'll say that the drive wasn't as bad as he thought. Fingers crossed. So come with us and let's see what it's like towing a twin axle caravan to Castleton Caravan and Motorhome Club in the Peak District. Good morning.
Oh, it's so warm by this fire. It's nice and cosy in the caravan.
I don't care what you say.
Oh, right. It's too hot.
Jamie is not loving this fire.
It's not my favourite thing, no.
Why not? It's atmospheric.
No.
Anyway, we are all cosy and we are all pitched up here at Castleton in the Peak District. You arrived, what time did you arrive here with Maisie?
It was about 2 o'clock-ish, I think we got here. So not too long a drive.
Were the roads as bad as you thought?
No, some people have told us that the roads are bad. Getting to Castleton, I won't take a caravan up there. Other people have told us to go massive long detours to get here. But I was looking on the maps in the week and I thought I'd come through Chesterfield. That way it looks straightforward. It's just motorway and A roads. There's a tiny bit of a B road. And then it's all A roads all the way here. So it was fine, there was no problems at all with buses and articulated trucks using the same route that we went on. So if they can come through, then you can with your caravan.
Yeah, and I got here about 6 o'clock. It took me though about 2.5 hours to get here from Leicester. I think I took a very similar route to you because I also came through Chesterfield, and it was lovely going past all the twinkly lights and all the pubs and shops and that. So I can't wait to explore Castleton later. But yeah, we're all pitched up. It's busy. I don't think I've spotted an empty pitch anywhere here. No,
it was quite a full one when we got here yesterday afternoon as well. So probably lucky that I could get here in the day. Maisie had an inset day from school. I got my work done in the morning, and then we just set off. But then it was non-stop people arriving.
Oh, Trixie's on guard there, you can hear her. But yes, so it's a lovely site. Really clean toilet and shower block facilities. Really, really impressed with them. So unfortunately it's raining at the moment. I think it sounds worse on the caravan roof than it actually is, but we'll still have a wander into Castleton and we'll show you around there. Probably not in this video, but we'll show you around it in the next video and we'll give you a tour of the site. But yeah, so far so good with Castleton. I'm feeling very, very festive here in the caravan. I hope you found this video useful in knowing that you can tow a twin axle caravan here to Castleton, and join us next time as we get very festive and show you a bit more of the campsite and Castleton. Thank you very much for coming back and watching if you've already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, it's absolutely free and your support would be very much appreciated. So yep, give it a like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you on the next video.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish